Vrkshasana. Precautions. Avoid this practice in case of arthritis, vertigo, and obesity. Stand with feet 2 inches apart. Focus on a point in front. Exhale and bend the right leg. Try to place the right leg on the inside of left thigh. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms. Stay in the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe normally. Exhale and bring the arms and right foot down. Now repeat this asana with the other leg. Bend the left leg and try to place it on the inside of right thigh. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms. Stay in the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe normally during stay. Inhale and bring the arms and left foot down. Benefits. Improves neuromuscular coordination. It tones up the leg muscles.